To fix a black screen on a Samsung Smart TV, it is essential to understand the potential causes of the issue. The problem may be attributed to connection problems, firmware issues, or software glitches. To resolve the issue, start by checking all the TV connections and look for any damaged cables that may need to be replaced. If a loose connection is identified, try unplugging all the cables and plugging them back into the TV. Additionally, updating the firmware can help resolve the problem, as an outdated version may be the cause of the black screen. To update the firmware, navigate to the Settings menu, select the Support section, and then choose the Software Update option and tap Update Now. If the firmware is corrupted, a factory reset may be necessary to solve the issue. This can be done by hitting the menu button on the remote, selecting Settings, and then choosing the Reset option. After entering the PIN and confirming the reset, the TV will restart. A simple reboot can also fix a software glitch. To do this, disconnect the power cable from the power source. Wait a few minutes, and then plug it back in. By following these steps, fixing a black screen on a Samsung Smart TV can be a straightforward process.